Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 4 stages of wealth. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down each stage, explore the key characteristics, and discuss what it takes to progress to the next level. Stage 1. Stability. This is where it all begins. It is the foundation of your financial freedom. Imagine waking up without financial anxiety. Bills paid, emergency fund ready, no credit card debt. This is the stage where you must have built a solid foundation for your future. In this stage, you create a budget and stick to it. You track spending, you cut back on wastages, and you must have built an emergency fund. This emergency fund should be at least 6 months' living expenses saved up somewhere. Small, consistent contributions add up. It all starts with a solid foundation of stability. Stage 2. Strategy. Putting your money to work. Congratulations! You've achieved stability and you're ready to take it up a notch. Now, it's time to shift gears from defense to offense. This is where investing comes in. Instead of your money just sitting in a savings account, it's time to put it to work for you. We're talking about exploring different investment vehicles, like index funds, real estate, purchasing shares or equity in other people's company, or even starting your own business. The goal here is to generate passive income and watch your money grow exponentially. Remember to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and don't be afraid to seek advice from financial experts. This is about playing the long game, and with the right strategy, you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth can compound. Stage 3. Security. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. You've put in the hard work, now it's time to enjoy the rewards. This stage is about security and experiencing your financial success. Remember those trips you always wanted to take, those incredible meals you wanted to savor. This is the time to indulge. It's about peace of mind and handling life's surprises. Financial freedom means real-life freedom. Freedom to enjoy life's moments. Stage 4. Freedom, living life on your terms. This is the pinnacle of wealth, but it goes beyond just having a massive bank account. It's about reaching a point where money is no longer a concern. Your passive income far exceeds your expenses, and you have the freedom to pursue your passions, give back to your community, and leave a lasting legacy. This stage is about impact. It's about using your wealth to make a difference in the world, whether it's supporting causes you care about, mentoring others on their financial journeys, or simply spending quality time with loved ones. This is true wealth, a life of purpose, fulfillment, and generosity. So, which of these stages are you currently in, and what are you doing to get to the next stage? Let me know in the comments below. Each stage of wealth building is a journey, and it's important to celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent, informed decisions that will lead you to a brighter future. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop striving for financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell